for this one, what we will do is we will set up a My Google business page. So the first thing you need to do is log in using your quote-unquote branded Gmail account. So for this case, Rizal Clothing Company. So once you've verified that you are logged in there, what you do is you click on these buttons here, the Google Apps, and then you scroll down and you click More from Google, and then you scroll down a bit more and you will find Google My Business. So click on that and then click on Manage Now. Now once this opens, you check on the upper right side, click on, because here it says that you're logged in using your personal account, so you need to log in using the branded account, the Rizal Clothing Co. for example. So now that you've now that it is logged in using Rizal, let's proceed. So here you will find and manage your business. Since we haven't set up anything, what we need to do is to add your business to Google. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. So business name, just plug in. For this case, Rizal Clothing Company. Business category, let's see, clothing. Okay, let's pick clothing store. And then next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store? Okay, so if you have a physical location, like an actual physical store, then you click on yes, because then it will show up in Google Maps the address or addresses of your physical store. If you are purely online, so you sell your products without any brick and mortar store, then you just click no. So for this case, we'll click no. Okay, next. Where do you serve your customers? Okay, so here you can select the area. So let's just say you serve Metro Manila, then you type in Metro Manila. And then let's say you also serve Cebu, then you type in Cebu. But if in case you're serving the Philippines, then just type in Philippines. There. And I suppose if you have a more regional reach, you can type in the other countries or cities outside of the Philippines. But for this case, let's just put Philippines. Okay, so contact details. Let's see. So contact number, let's just put in a dummy number, for example. 0918 810 9000, for example. Get the free. So here it is important to have a website. So let's just put in a dummy website for now, since we still don't have one. Let's just put Rizal Clothing.com, for example. RizalClothing.com. Okay, and then next. Want updates, recommendations? Yes, just put in next. Yes. Okay, so for this case, since we don't have a physical store, so you might be wondering, why is it asking for a mailing address? So basically this is for verification. So what you will put here is your mailing address, where you will receive a physical mail with a code. So Google will send you a physical letter with the code inside that you will input later on to verify. Here we'll just put an address, just a sample address, your contact name, so as you can see, it says Rizal Clothing Company, and your contact name, it will be mailed to your designated mailing address. So again, you will need this code to verify your Google page. So let's click mail, and then you can set up your store. Let's skip this first. Accept messages, okay, yes. Add description, clothing company, next. And you can add your photo. Let's see, let's add a photo, like the logo, for example. Let's add the logo. Okay, next. Okay, you can claim this if you wish, but for now, for this particular example, I'm just gonna skip it. It's almost ready. Continue. Get started. Okay, so as you can see, it is pending verification. It says May 2, 2021, the postcard will arrive in that address that I specified a while ago. So you won't be able to fully utilize this until you get the verification, meaning to say that you won't be able to create posts, products, and other things. So let's see if we can, one second. Okay, so that's basically it. You have set up your My Business page, your Google My Business page, and all you have to do now is to wait for it to be verified. All right.